Hello friends, welcome to my AI World YouTube channel. I put AI related content in this YouTube channel. I hope you like the information given by me. One day I was watching shorts on YouTube. Then I came across the Knowledge Spare YouTube channel. So I got interested in his shorts video. So I researched about it and wanted to know how to make such videos. That's why I thought, why shouldn't I also start a YouTube channel like him, and I created a YouTube channel. Now I will tell you step by step how I created a YouTube channel with the help of AI. Step 1. I selected motivational niche from chatgpt. Then I searched motivational channel name from chatgpt. Then I selected Inspire Me Now name. Then I created a channel with the name Inspire Me Now. After that I created YouTube banner and YouTube profile from Canva. Then I again wrote the description for this channel from chatgpt. I opened Movio.ai on Google. I signed in. I had to make shorts, so I selected portrait ratio for shorts. After that I selected the avatar and again wrote the script from chatgpt. I copied that script and pasted it in the text script in Movio.in, and by right-clicking on after selected green color from scene background. So the video is ready. Then I submitted the video and downloaded it. After downloading, now I copy-pasted the video in the editing app. I edited the video according to the content I had. After that the video got ready. Then I opened YouTube and clicked on Upload Video and went to Select File and selected the video, and the video got uploaded.